what looked to be the second win of the season for Chase Sexton, and a pretty dominant win too. I mean, he was like 3 maybe something seconds up, went down the tubes right there. That's a big launch, and it didn't look like he could physically get himself up. And you can see right here, he couldn't even get his leg over the bike. And at some points, I mean, it looked like he was almost trying to fight the Alpinestars medical crew off. Like, he was, as you can see, like pushing him away, shaking his arms, like, I don't want you, da-da-da. But he did not look like he could actually get himself up after he crashed. He was laying on the ground for a pretty long time. And that's a pretty big crash. I mean, to get launched like that and land just straight into the face of a jump. And, you know, after the race, same thing. They're trying to tell him, you know, calm down, look. And you can see the wheel on his bike, either from hitting the face of the jump or before the jump, it folded completely, which could be the reason why he crashed. I mean, you can watch it. He just goes, looks perfectly fine. You know, quads in, perfectly good. And then right here, just kunk, and the bike just launches him. Sad.